Understanding Go Offline, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard in many different contexts. Go offline. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English, understanding the subtle nuances of phrases like this can be incredibly useful in daily conversation. So, let's explore what go offline means and how you can use it like a native speaker. The phrase, go offline, has both a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, it means to disconnect from the internet or a network. For example, when you turn off your Wi-Fi, you're going offline. But figuratively, it's often used to describe someone stepping away from work or becoming unavailable for communication. It's like saying, I'm out of office, but for any situation where you won't be reachable for some time. Let's see it in action. I need to go offline and focus on this project. Let's go offline and discuss this over lunch. When it comes to technology, go offline is a staple term. It's particularly relevant in today's digital age, where being online is the norm. Here's how you might encounter it. When performing system maintenance, the server will go offline at midnight for an upgrade. During power outages or technical issues, our website is currently offline due to technical difficulties. Outside of technology, going offline has become a metaphor for seeking a break from social media or the hustle and bustle of daily life. Here are some personal contexts where it's used. Taking a break from social media. I'm feeling overwhelmed, so I'm going to go offline for a while. Informing others you'll be unavailable. I'll go offline during my vacation to relax fully. It's important to understand the context in which go offline is used. The meaning can change slightly depending on the situation. For instance, if someone says they're going offline after a long day at work, they likely mean they are about to relax and stop answering work emails for the evening. And that's a wrap on go offline. I hope this video helps clarify how and when to use this phrase. Remember, phrases can have different meanings based on context, and go offline is a perfect example of this in English. Stay tuned for more insightful English language tips. Until next time, take care and maybe consider going offline to practice your English.